A Florida sheriff accuses a Macon County judge of setting a low bond for an alleged child sex offender, now out of jail. Tonight, the Macon County Sheriff is pushing back. News 13's Kimberly King has been fact-checking this story all day. Kim, what do you know?
Holly, we know the Flagler County Sheriff who made the post hasn't responded to our request to interview. The sheriff alleging that a Florida judge's $500,000 bond was lowered here to $35,000.
I'm Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staley.
Florida Sheriff Rick Staley is at the center of a controversy. He posted on Facebook about suspect Kermit Booth arrested in Macon County, that a judge lowered his bond and that Booth bailed out. Quote, "I've never heard of a fugitive case being handled like this by an out-of-state judge." The sheriff referencing Booth's child sex battery charges in Florida, but arrested in North Carolina.
Folks, I just want to jump on here for a moment and talk about all the buzz on social media.
What the sheriff's referencing is people inaccurately saying a North Carolina judge lowered bond, which is what the Florida sheriff incorrectly said.
I think it's easy to cast stones when you're not familiar with North Carolina law.
We spoke by Zoom with Sheriff Holbrooks.
The fugitive is taken before a magistrate. Then bail is set. In this case, ultimately, he bonded out.
The fact is that a sheriff in Florida probably knows nothing about the procedures that happen here in North Carolina. It's frustrating when people who are elected officials try to stoke controversy.
Attorneys say state law requires a judge allow bond for Booth based on legal standards. The only way not to is if the Florida Sheriff's Office sought a governor's warrant.
You have no knowledge that they have sought a governor's warrant, which would enable your local judge to maybe set a new bond, which would be no bond, right?
That's correct. And the clock's ticking. The ball is in Florida's court. They have 90 days from the date of arrest, the day he bonded out, to get us said governor's warrant. That way we can put him in jail and hold him without bond.
As we mentioned, the Florida sheriff had said that bond had been set at $500,000 when he was arrested. Legal experts say North Carolina law is different, limiting the amount based on the sole extradition charge. The bondswoman for Booth tells me he's in the county and she's certain he'll show for his next court date next month.